All right, so the next special factor we're going to look at is called the sum and difference of two cubes. Basically, we're looking for, well, everything is cubed. That's why the word cubes is in here. And the sum and difference, this is going to be your difference, the minus. Your sum is your plus. The names are pretty self-explanatory. We're not real creative in math. But if you notice here, I have a general form of a something b, a squared something ab something b squared. So most people don't have a problem memorizing this format, a squared, ab, b squared. What they have a problem with is where do the signs go? And that's where this acronym SOAP is going to come in. SOAP actually tells us what our signs are. So the S part of SOAP is same. The O is opposite. The A is always. And the P is positive. So SOAP stands for same, opposite, always, positive. So this is how this works. So I'm going to look at, I have a minus. Well, I'm going to use SOAP. Same. So same, opposite, always positive. Here I have a plus. Same, opposite, always positive. And that's how we actually can figure out what where the addition and subtractions go into the AB, A squared, AB, B squared. All right, so now I have an example here. 729x cubed plus 1,331, and I want to factor this. Well, this is where a calculator comes in handy, because if you don't know all of your perfect cubes, you can do it in a calculator by just looking at my first term right here and my second term, and I'm going to see if it is a perfect cube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, you know what? A could be the cube root of 729x cubed. So you put this in the calculator, the cube root of 729. We already know x cubed is a perfect cube because that's going to be x. But the cube root of 729 is 9. So the cube root of 729x cubed is just 9x. Now, we're going to look at my b. We're going to see if b is a perfect cube. So we're going to take the cube root of 1,331. You put this in the calculator, or if you know your perfect cubes, you know that this is 11. All right, from here, I know my A, I know my B, I know this is a sum because of the plus, so I'm going to use this bottom one right here, and all I'm going to do is fill it in. So here we go. It says A, so I've got 9x, plus B, so plus 11, because it's the same, plus, same from SOAP, times, well, now I'm going to do 9x, and this has to be squared, because it says A squared, so I did A squared. Now, opposite from SOAP. Now it says AB, so I'm going to have 9x times 11. Now we have always positive from SOAP, and we have 11 squared. And there's no difference between these square brackets and these curved brackets. I just don't like having two curved brackets next to it, but they work the same in math, at least at this level. All right, so now let's clean this up. So we've got 9x plus 11. This square goes to both of these, so 9 squared is 81x squared minus, well, 9 times 11 is 99x plus, and 11 squared, if you don't know it, it is 121, but you can put it in the calculator, and you are fully factored. This is the factored form of 729x cubed plus 1,331. So it's just a matter of just take the cube root of this, and then just fill it in for your A's and your B's. It's just following a pattern. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.